Hey guys, what's up? This is going to be Nat King Cole's, sorry, um, Nature Boy. Very few people even know who Nat King Cole is. Amazing, amazing singer during the 40s. So, here we go. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little sigh and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. And while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Thank you.